Hello YouTube, West Indian Delights, brand new cooking channel coming to you straight from Jamaica. Y'all know Jamaica is in the West Indies. So the channel is about straight cooking, straight Jamaican cooking. Coming to you from my kitchen, straight from my kitchen to yours. Name of the channel again, West Indian Delights. I am Debbie, so it's gonna be Debbie from Down a Yard, but the name of the channel is West Indian Delights. So when I say Debbie from Down a Yard, you know, Debbie from Jamaica simply means Debbie from Down a Yard. You know, most people call Jamaica Down a Yard. So look out for the videos, them coming right behind this intro. So West Indian Delights, Debbie from Down a Yard, boom.